In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove and replace worn front brake hoses on a 1991 Ford Explorer. In this step, we're going to talk about your new brake hose, your banjo bolt, and your sealing washers. This is one of the old ones. I have some replacements in the bag here. We'll say that they are reusable. For safety's sake, you can go ahead and use the new ones if you prefer. I always use the old ones, and every vehicle I've ever worked on, I've never had a problem with. The reason being, as you can see, if you get a close-up on there, there are grooves cut into that washer. That brass washer squeezes into the steel and seals. It already has the grooves on it, so it's going to fit the hose and the caliper perfectly the way they are instead of having to crush new grooves into a new washer. The bolt makes a sandwich with your washers of the brake hose. I have a washer which is already stuck on the caliper. It's pretty much just stayed there. You're going to want to take your other washer and slide it down onto your bolt, just like so. If you're reusing the old one, make sure the grooves are towards the inside or the threaded part of the bolt. We're going to take our hose and line it up right here, ensuring that our other washer is in the proper location. We're going to slide our bolt on and run it down hand tight. Once you have it tight, you can go ahead, and this one takes a 14 millimeter. I have that on there, and tighten it up. It's a lefty-loosey, righty-tighty kind of bolt. That bolt is hollow, and it is possible to break it if you over-tighten it. So what we'll do is just get it snug right there. That is the proper way to reinstall your sealing washers, banjo bolt, and brake hose.